In this movie, I'm just going to run through the simple procedures involved when you want to install Search and Play manually rather than using the installer that it came on. So again, what we're going to do, just like before, inside of the installation folder that, or the USB hard drive that we shipped this distribution of Swing Thing to you on, you'll find a folder. It says Search and Play 2.1. And inside that folder, there are a Mac and PC folder. And we're going to look in the PC folder. There's never any problem with the Mac one. PC, sometimes the older versions of the PCs can have a problem. So with the installer. I don't know why. We haven't been able to sort it out. But there's nothing wrong with the program. It just doesn't want to do the installation properly. So what I usually recommend to do is to copy this off of your hard drive onto your desktop. That would be the first thing to do. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. And now that that's there, what we'll do is we'll just put it in the middle of our screen. And I'll double click this. We need to unzip it. I wonder if I can just drag it out. This may just do the extraction. I'm a Mac guy through and through, but I do PC when I need to. I'm doing all of this from a virtual PC on board my Mac. There we go. All right, good. So you could let this just live right on your desktop if you want. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. So there's already a copy on the hard drive. I don't really need to keep that here, so I'll just delete that. If you double click this, you'll see that there's quite a bit of stuff in here, and this is why I wanted to make a movie, just to make it clear for anybody who needed help. There's only one file in here that you need to worry about, and it's this one right here. It's got the blue FileMaker icon. It says Search and Play. Now, what I would recommend doing is just right-click on it and go ahead and create a shortcut. Let's see, where did that shortcut go? Ah, there it is down here. And you can drag that out onto your desktop. And then it'll just work. Just keep this folder handy, put it wherever you want to put it. This is how you can launch the app. You just double click it. And there it is. So that's the trick I wanted to show you. And, well, happy trails, y'all. I'm glad that y'all picked up Swing Thing. I love getting this out into the world. Okay, bye-bye.